Welcome back to campustech. Sometimes you're typing and the keyboard correct itself and it will replace the word itself. So in this video, we'll see how we can change that thing. There is a setting. When you go into the settings, you'll find, right, this is the one. It's called the auto replace. So when you turn it on and off, it will work. So let's try this. So when you go here, let's say I'm just writing this one and it will replace itself. It says thanks. And sometimes it's good, but sometimes it actually bothers. So let's say I'm just writing this one. See, I just typed wrong, but it's correct itself, which is good. But sometimes if you don't like that thing, just go simple into the settings. Here is a tab which is called auto replace, and all you need to do is turn off. And after this, whatever you type, it will not autocorrect. It will look at this. So see, it will give you suggestion if you turn on that suggestion, but it won't change your typing thing. So if you like that video, thumbs up, share with your friends, subscribe my channel, and see you in the next video.